How to change only Instagram profile picture, not Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram profile. Now, first and foremost is you have to make sure that you have updated your application to your App Store or your Play Store. Now, after opening the application, what you're gonna do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there. Tap on your profile and it will lead you here. The next thing that you're gonna do is on the upper right, you'll see the three dash lines. Tap on that and go to settings. After tapping on settings, scroll all the way down up until you see the accounts center or the metaverse. Click on that, click on the account center, and here it will look like this. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on your profiles here. After clicking on the profiles, since we want to change only the Instagram profile, what you're going to do is to click on your Instagram here, and then here you will see options such as name, username, and then your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture. It will lead you to your gallery, and all you have to do is to look for a photo that you want to change and use as your profile picture on your Instagram account. So let's say this one, I want to use this. So you can actually edit this out. Either you want to crop a little bit of that and just focus on this, or you can actually have the whole picture and you can even rotate the picture. For me, I just want to put it in that way. And then on the upper right, it will say done. You will see a done button and then tap on save, of course, on the bottom part. And then just wait for it to load. And after that, as you can see, you have successfully changed your profile on your Instagram. Now, if we go back here, as you can see, you don't have the same profile on both Instagram and on your Facebook, as you can see here. And basically, if you go here to your profile again, and basically that's it. That is how to change only Instagram profile picture and not Facebook. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.